CuriosityStream Reviews. CuriosityStream is a documentary-focused streaming service that offers a vast selection of science, history, nature, and technology content. It is highly rated for its affordable pricing, ad-free experience, and high-quality documentaries, but some users note limited mainstream entertainment content and a rotating library. Understanding both the pros and cons can help determine if it's the right platform for you. 1. Overall user ratings. CuriosityStream is generally well-reviewed, with ratings averaging 4.2 out of 5 on Trustpilot, 4.5 out of 5 on the Apple App Store, 4.3 out of 5 on Google Play Store. Second, positive aspects of CuriosityStream. Affordable pricing. Starting at $2.99 per month, it's one of the cheapest streaming platforms. Ad-free streaming. All content is completely ad-free, even on the basic plan. High-quality documentaries. Covers topics like space, science, history, and nature. 4. Streaming available. Users who choose the premium plan can stream in Ultra HD 4K. Exclusive originals. Features. CuriosityStream. Original documentaries not available elsewhere. 3. Common complaints and downsides. Limited mainstream content. Does not offer movies, TV shows, or fictional series. Rotating library. Some documentaries disappear after a while as the content lineup changes. No offline downloads. Unlike Netflix or Disney+, no option to download documentaries for offline viewing. Some content feels repetitive. Topics like space and ancient history have many similar documentaries. 4. Who would benefit from CuriosityStream? Science and history enthusiasts who enjoy educational content. Budget-conscious viewers looking for an affordable documentary platform. Families and students who prefer ad-free, fact-based content. Viewers who enjoy Discovery, Nat Geo, and PBS-style documentaries. 5. How to subscribe based on reviews. Step 1. Visit CuriosityStream.com and sign up. Step 2. Choose a standard $2.99 per month or premium $9.99 per month plan. Step 3. Start the 7-day free trial to explore the content before committing. Step 4. Watch documentaries ad-free in HD or 4K depending on the plan. Step 5. Cancel anytime if the content does not meet your expectations. 6th. Device compatibility. Available on Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, Android, iOS, and web browsers. Can stream on multiple devices, but only one active stream per account is allowed. 7. Final verdict. Based on reviews. Highly recommended for educational and documentary lovers. Not ideal for those looking for movies, TV dramas, or reality shows. Best value for users who want ad-free documentaries at a low price. CuriosityStream receives mostly positive reviews, praised for its affordable price, ad-free content, and high-quality educational documentaries. However, it lacks mainstream entertainment and offline downloads, making it best suited for science, history, and knowledge-seeking viewers.